released 2 major updates. ConnecTECH Release 2. ConnecTECH Release 2 contains the new application, ConnecTECH. This application no longer requires Citrix Receiver. Also, we included all status updates, BOU out of service within application. We'll go through how to log in, work order updates, BOU updates, out of service, and logout process. Login. In login screen, you have to enter your user ID, which is a tech ID, your password, which is last name, first initial. Once you enter the proper credential, you please click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will be presented with the no work order screen, where you have a status and refresh button. During this, you click a status in order to log in for MWM. Once you click status, you will be presented with the login option. At this time, when you hit the login, it should start your shift and it'll dispatch the next working order for you. Once you click login, it'll process the message. Server will respond stating that you are currently logged in. Once you press OK, this OK button will refresh your screen. During this refresh, the system will pull all new information related to your shift. At this time, I do not have any work order dispatch. In this situation, you please click refresh in order to get back the new information. New work order process. In work order process, we'll go through how to update your work order to on-route, on-site, CGI, work, and submit the work order. You also have history information available while you're working through the work order. After you refresh your screen, you'll see the work order in a dispatch situation. Once you see this work order, you can click on a status button, which is on the left-hand side, and it'll present you with the different options. As you can see, you have on route, out of service, and logout. We'll go through out of service and logout functionality in the next session. Now, since you have on route status available, click on an on route button. You will see the processing icon. That means the server is currently responding and it will present you with the response. As you can see, you have a work order is now set to on route. Just press OK to clear the button. You will see another processing icon. This will take about 8 to 10 seconds. During this process, it'll refresh your work order and information with the on route status. If you do not see work order status on route, please wait for 30 seconds and click refresh button in order to update this information. In order to go on site, click on status button. You'll be presented with the available option. You have on-site, out of service, CGI, and logout. You can do the CGI at this point. In order to go on site, click on on-site button. You will be seeing the processing icon, and as you can see, your work order will be on site. Press OK to clear this message. Once you press OK, the system will refresh your screen. This will take about 8 to 10 seconds, and it will status your current work order as on-site. If you do not see on-site, please click refresh in order to update the status. If you click status, you'll be presented with the next available option, which is out of service, CGI, or logout. In order to get back to the home screen, just click outside of this box and you'll be back to the home screen. Before you go to the Works tab, please click refresh in order to make sure your session is active. Click Work button in order to complete the work order. Once you fill out all information, click Submit. In order to submit your information to the server, you will see the processing icon and you'll be presented with the message box. In order to clear this dialog, press OK. You will go back to the home screen, and if there is any order, you will be presented with the next dispatch order. With the new ConnecTECH, you can now complete the POU work orders. During the POU completion, you will be able to status yourself on route, on site, and a completion, which is the end button. History is not available for POU. POU will be dispatched same as work order. As you can see, you have a title POU dispatch. In the new POU functionality, we are now able to show you POU code, name, description, location, scheduled date, start time, duration. In order to go on route, click on status button and you will be presented with the available option. On route, out of service, log out. Since I want to go for on route, I'll click on route and you'll see the processing icon and the server response will be there. Now my order should be on route. Click OK to clear this message. You will see processing icon for 8 to 10 seconds. This will refresh your status updates on your home screen and you'll be presented with the POU on route status. While you're on route to the POU or any order, you're not able to do the status updates for the rest of the dispatch orders. As you can see, the dispatch POU, the status button is blocked. The same thing will be applicable for the work orders. The dispatch order, I do not have status button available. In order to go on site for the POU, you click on the status button. You will have on site, out of service, and log out option available. Since I would like to go on site, I'll click on site. You'll see the processing icon and be presented with the message. Press OK to clear this message. Once I press OK, I'll see the processing icon and it will take about 8 to 10 seconds in order to refresh my home screen. As you can see, I'm currently on site to this POU. In order to complete the POU, there is an end button available on your home screen. When you press the end button, it will show you the processing icon and you will receive a confirmation message stating that your POU order is now set to complete. Press OK to clear this message. Once you press OK, it will take about 8 to 10 seconds to refresh your screen. During this time, you will see processing icon. As you can see, I no longer have POU available on my home screen. With new ConnecTECH application, now you can report yourself for break, lunch, STS park pickup as out of service within this application. Since all status updates available under status button, click on status button. You'll be presented with the available option. If you click on OOS, which stands for out of service, it'll open the new screen where you can enter the minutes, the reason, location for your out of service status. Once you fill out all this information, press OK to report out of service. As you can see, once the confirmation is received, press OK to clear the message. It will take about 8 to 10 seconds to refresh the information and you'll be out of service. Once you're on out of service screen, click status and then out of service, which is OS. You'll have out of service information message available. Once you complete your out of service stat, you will have this out of service information message. In order to return from out of service, press return. You will see processing icon and then confirmation message. Press OK to clear the message. After pressing OK, you will see processing icon for 8 to 10 seconds. And then you will be back to home screen with your work order information. With new ConnecTECH, now you can log out with or without end of shift from the application. You do not require receiver application anymore. From the home screen, click on status. You'll be presented with available options. In order to log out, you will need to enter automator information. Click logout and you will be presented with end of shift option. You'll have two options to choose from: end of shift no and end of shift yes. At the end of your day, you'll have to click on yes. This will close your shift and it will reassign outstanding work order to other technicians. You'll see processing icon and then confirmation message. Press OK to clear message. You'll see processing icon. It will take about 8 to 10 seconds to go back to the home screen. Once the process is completed, you will see home screen. Since I log off as end of shift, I no longer have any work order available to work. Press the back button and then press yes in order to log out from your active session. Once you're on the login screen, then close your application.